In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link from your Dropbox, an essential skill for both personal and professional use. Dropbox is a widely used cloud storage service that allows you to store and share files and folders with ease. Whether you're working on collaborative projects or simply need to transfer files safely, knowing how to efficiently share Dropbox links can be incredibly beneficial. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account. Once you're at your Dropbox homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice the user-friendly design, which makes navigation quite straightforward. On the left side of your screen, you'll find various options to browse your content. Look for the section that displays your folders. Usually, it's located in the upper left-hand corner of your Dropbox interface. Click this area, and it will reveal the list of all your stored folders. Now, choose a folder that you wish to share with others. Perhaps you have a set of documents for a project team or personal files you're sending to a friend. Select the folder by clicking on it, which will highlight it as your next action point. Once you've decided which folder you'll be sharing, keep an eye out for a button labeled Share Folder. This button is designed to be easily accessible and clearly marked, usually positioned at the top of the page or near the selected folder. Clicking Share Folder will present you with several options on how you can share the content. You have multiple ways to share, via a link, through a transfer, or even a QR code. However, for the purpose of today's demonstration, we'll focus on sharing through a copied link. This method is not only simple, but also efficient, making it one of the most popular ways to share files. In the interface that pops up, look for an option that says Copy Link. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Just a click on this option, and Dropbox will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. This is a convenient way to ensure the link can be easily pasted wherever you need it, whether you're sending it through an email, a chat message, or embedding it in a document. Once the link is copied, you can share it with anyone you choose. And just like that, you've efficiently created a shareable link to your Dropbox folder. This process not only saves time, but also streamlines collaboration by giving others controlled access to specific content. Remember, always verify the sharing permissions linked to your folder to ensure the right level of access is granted. Happy sharing! And we hope you find this guide useful in your everyday tasks.